Log into AWS Management Console, click on Services, scroll down. You will find Inspector service under Security section. Click on Inspector. As it is showing, we need to have AWS agent installed on the EC2 instances. Then we can run the assessment. Then based on the assessment result, we need to analyze and take the necessary actions. Let me click on Get Started. From the Inspector dashboard, let me click on Assessment Target to create a targets. Click on Create. Specify the target name. Then we need to specify assessment target should include all the EC2 instances in this region or any specific EC2 instances based on the tag filter. Let me use the tags. Click on the key. The key should be production. The value should be yes. That means any EC2 instance which is having a tag key value pair as prod and yes, that EC2 instance will be considered as a assessment target. Then scroll down, click on Save. Now we can see that the assessment target has been created with the tag filter as prod and yes. Let me click on the assessment target to see which EC2 instances are considered as a targets. Click on Preview Target. We can see that one instance has been considered and it is currently in healthy state. When we have created an assessment target, it also ensures that the required inspector agent will be installed and configured automatically, hence the reason the instance is in healthy state. Click on OK. Now let me show you how to create a assessment templates. Click on Assessment Templates. Click on Create. Specify the assessment template name. Then we need to specify this assessment template must be run on which target. Select the target from the drop down. As we have already created assessment target, the assessment target can be seen in the drop down. Select the assessment target. Then specify the rules packages from the drop down. We need to choose which rules packages has to be considered when it is scanning for the vulnerabilities in the EC2 instances. Let me choose network reachability, security best practices, common vulnerabilities and exposures, and CIS security benchmarks as well. Then we need to specify the duration, stating that how long it has to perform the scan on EC2 instances based on the rules packages defined to produce the report. 1 hour is the recommended. However, let me go with 15 minutes duration to perform the scan and produce the report. Scroll down. If the assessment template has to be run on schedule basis on the assessment targets, can select assessment schedule and provide the frequency. For now, I would like to run this assessment at once, hence remove this check mark. Then click on Create and Run. Now we can see that the assessment template has been created successfully to scan for the rules packages in the specified assessment target for the duration called 15 minutes. The current state is showing that it is collecting the data from the targets to produce the report. As we have mentioned the duration as 15 minutes, it would be taking the 15 minutes of time to collect the data and produce the report. We can see all the running latest assessment runs in the assessment runs section. Let me hold till it is completing the assessment run and producing the report. Now we can see that assessment run has been completed and the report is ready. We can download the report by clicking on Download Report. Let me download the findings report. Click on Generate Report. Assessment report is available as a PDF document. When we look at the findings report, it is stating that the assessment run has been run on which assessment template and when the assessment run has been started, when assessment run has been ended. When we still scroll down, we can see the executive summary stating that how many number of findings are identified in each rules package section. It is also categorized the findings as high or medium or low severity. When we still scroll down, we can see the findings reported as a detailed information, which is also stating that the description of the finding and the respective recommendation how we can fix this specific finding. Let me go back to the Amazon Inspector tool. This is explaining how we can use Amazon Inspector service to create an assessment target, assessment template, and running the assessment template to discover the potential security issues and produce the findings report. That's it for this lecture. I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.